In this Photoshop tutorial, I will show you how to create Instagram profile picture in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Create the new project and follow these settings. Start by using the ellipse tool. Draw a circle with 1080 width and 1080 height and a line in the center. Now change the color of circle. Duplicate the ellipse layer. Press Ctrl+T for transform layer and follow these steps. Now choose any image and adjust like this. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate layer. Drag down the subject layer and create clipping mask. Now select duplicate layer and add layer mask. Go to the brush tool and remove outer surface of circle. Now change the layer name. And go to the blending options. Go to the drop shadow and follow these settings. Now select the layer of ellipse 2 and go to the blending options. Drop shadow and follow these settings. Now select ellipse 1 layer and go to the blending options. And add stroke. Now add new layer and select brush tool and hardness should be 0 and choose white color. Instagram profile picture is ready. I hope this tutorial is very helpful for you. If you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.